I've got a small one here. Let me share. This should be going out later today. And thanks to Richard, did the front end piece, and Stephen helped a lot with the back end. But if you have for calcs, some kind of calculation, Excel style calculation, if you do the drop down, now there's this option to promote to model. And then if you click on it, you'll see, ooh, I changed that. That's interesting. We'll look at that, but then it shows up here. And you can use it just like any field and it will like create a dimension of that.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, how does it like conditionally handle? Is it only going to be present for things that can be translated to dimension measure? How does it handle like sort of?
Yeah.
When do we?
Yeah, so that's like a next step. Right now, it just shows up for any calc, any Excel calc. And then if you try to use it on something that has like a range, like an offset or something like that, we'll give you an error message at the bottom that says couldn't promote because, you know, it operates on this thing or whatever. We'll need to like add to that as we go to make it a little bit clearer to the user and stuff, but for now, it just shows up there.
That's great. That's awesome.
That's freaking awesome. Yeah, we need to get this in the demo flow. So just flagging that for the field folks. Like that is the message right there.
Right. And there are things like for this one that looks like the precision changed a bit, like different dialects kind of return, treat decimals and stuff a little differently. So we can kind of try to smooth that out, but there might be small changes like that.
I actually think that's mostly fine. Perfectly. Like people will have to realize that databases are going to have slight differences. It's more that like the trivial stuff is now easy to pick up. And now like very literally end users can become modelers. Like you can write an if statement, you can promote it. It's actually like a crazy workflow to open up for people.
Or you can ask ChatGPT to write that if statement for you.
Right. Yeah, you can go pass down your time zone mapper. So cool.